Welcome back, student. Uh, in this session, we have to learn about the punctuation. What is punctuation? See, we are writing the number of carbon compound and their naming also. See, we have to keep a punctuations also. Punctuation is a necessary. Number are separated by comma. See, number. See, is there number? We are separated by 2 comma 2. See, number are separated by see comma. See this line. We have to keep the kappa. And number and designation by hyphen. See, number and designation. Number and designation. We have to keep the hyphen. See this line, hyphen. See in between the hyphen. Next we have to see the here. If you find more than one substituent in the structure, you have to follow the alphabetical order. See more than one. See more than one. We have to follow the alphabetical order while naming them. For this numerical prefix should be considered. See for example, number of substituent is present in a carbon compound. See, we have to go to the alphabetical order. For example, ethyl is there, methyl also is there. We have to go to the alphabetical order. First ethyl, after methyl. Okay. Next, see substituents like a halogens is there. Halogens, halo. See, we are writing the X. Next, we have to see the alkyl is there. Alkyl. See, alkyl. Next, we have to see the alkoxy is there. Alkoxy. Next, we have to see the nitro is there. See, nitro. So, see this like number of is there. Number of substituent is present. Next, if you find more than one functional group in a substituent and you select the principal functional group. You select the principal functional group and write it as secondary suffix. All other functional groups, see, become a substituent. Next, we have to add to the decreasing order of priority. See, decreasing order of the priority for choosing and naming a principal characteristics groups, and this should be written as secondary suffix. For example, acid is there. First we have to see the decreasing order. Acid. Which acid is there? See this like we have to write the acid. After we have to write the ester. COOR ester. After we have to write the aldehyde. CHO aldehyde. After we have to write the ketone. Next, after we have to write the alcohol. And we have to write the amine group also. So this is a amine group. Okay. Acid, ester, and aldehyde. Next, this is a ketone. See, alcohol, Next, this is a amine. Amine. Okay. This like number of, see, decreasing order priority, choosing the naming of principal characteristics and group. This should be written as secondary. See, these all are secondary. Which one? Secondary suffix. Okay. Next we have to see the principle of nomenclature. Principle of nomenclature. Is this understood? We have to write the decreasing order of the choosing, or see, we have to see the naming, the principal characteristics. This should be written as the secondary suffix. Okay. Next we have to see the principal nomenclature, and it is a numbering carbon atoms. Numbering. Okay, here first one is there, we have to give to the number. नंबर अपन कैसा भी ले सकते हैं. एक कार्बन कंपाउंड है, उसको लेफ्ट टू राइट दे सकते हैं, राइट टू लेफ्ट दे सकते हैं. ओके. See, we can number the carbon atom from left to right or right to left. That sum of the number indicating the position of substitute. Position of the substitute and functional group should be minimum possible. See, for example, we have to see the, see this like carbons is there. See, this like carbons. Okay. See, this is a CH3 and this is a CH3. Okay. Here. Okay, we have to take the another one carbon. Another one carbon. See, here one functional group is there. See, this is a functional group. Okay. See, we have to give to the, okay, if you give to the this way, see, left to right, 1 2 3 4 5. See, this is a wrong. This is a wrong. See, what said? See, first rule, we can number the carbon atom from left to right or left to right to left, or right to left to right, or right to left, so that sum of the number indicating the position of substituent and functional group should be minimum possible. Minimum बोले तो इसके जो कार्बन ये किधर से नजदीक आता है. See, we have to see the next. See, same example we have to take. This like CH3, C, here also C, here also C, here also CH3. We have to see, we have to give to the now right to left number 1 2 3 4 5. See, this is a correct. This is a correct. This is a wrong. See, first rule enough. See, ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप है, मिनिमम कहाँ पर नजदीक आता है उधर से ही लेना है. ओके. नेक्स्ट, सेकंड पॉइंट. नाउ वी हैव टू गो टू द सेकंड पॉइंट. व्हाट्स इट सेकंड पॉइंट? द फंक्शनल ग्रुप कार्बन शुड बी गिवन द लोवेस्ट नंबर. लोवेस्ट नंबर, इधर से जो नंबर कहाँ पर नजदीक आता है फंक्शनल ग्रुप, उसी कार्बन से नजदीक आता है, लेफ्ट से आता है और राइट से आता है. See, we have to give to the first. See, even it does not obey the rule 1. Next, the carbon atoms of contain the terminal functional group such as aldehyde, acid, carboxylic acid should be given always the number 1. See, even if does not obey rule 1 and 2. See, we have to give to the this one. See, aldehydes and acid. Next, we have to see the chain, longest chain. We have to choose the chain first of all. Longest chain. Longest chain. See, we have to choose the here longest chain. Select the longest and continuous chain of carbon atom, and which is known as, it is a parent chain. See, we are calling the parent chain or principal chain. All other carbon atoms constitute in the chain are branched, or we are calling the side chains. For example, we have to see this is a branched chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, these are a carbons. See this chain, we are calling this chain for, it is a parent chain or principal chain. See, this chain per we are calling the parent chain or principal बोलते हैं. See, a chain को जो अटैच होता है, see this like CH3 is there, this like CH3. See, this chain per we are calling the which chain? Branched chain. C2H5 we have to write. See, this is a branched chain. See, this one principal chain or parent chain. This one is a branched chain. Okay, side chain also called it. See, this is about the nomenclature of numbering, principal nomenclature and numbering carbon atoms, and we have to see the lowest chain. See, this like longest chain we have to select. Okay, next one is a lowest number rule. The carbon compound which contain only substituents, only one substituents. The number carbon atom is such a way that carbon atom carrying the substituent get a lowest number. See, I already said now only. See, here is a penta is there. See this line. See, this is a CH3 and here also CH3. See, here is a functional group is there. See, if you give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, what will happen? This one is a incorrect. Incorrect is there. Next we have to see the number. See, CH3, C and CH3. CH3. See this like. Here is a OH group. See, we have to give to the numbering this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, this is a correct method. We are calling the correct method. Okay. Lowest number rule. क्या बोले है? एक lowest number rule. See, इधर से ही देना है. जो ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप को से कार्बन को नजदीक आता है उसको देना है. Okay. Next one is a lowest sum rule. Lowest sum rule. Lowest sum rule. यहाँ पर जो बताया है, if there are two or more substitutes, and in the carbon atom the parent chain is numbered from the end, which give the lowest sum of more substituent. Okay. यहाँ पर जो बताया है मोर सब्स्टिट्यूट कोसे कार्बन पर है, वो पेरेंट चेन को कोसे का लास्ट कार्बन को जो फंक्शनल ग्रुप से आर substituent है, उधर से अपन क्या करना है, नंबरिंग देना है. Okay, we have to write now examples. See, this is a CH3. C is there, C and C. How many carbons is there here? Totally 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here also CH3 we have to write. What said here? 1 is a CH3 group. For example, 1 substitute. Here is a 2 substituent is there. 2 substituent. See, 2 substituent. Next we have to see the another example. We have to give to the number. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, we have to see the, this one is a wrong. See, we have to see the 2 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 12. Means it is a incorrect. What said? Incorrect method. See, this is a incorrect method. Okay, इधर लेंगे और एक एग्जाम्पल, यही सेम. See, CH3, C and CH3. Okay, here one methyl group is there. Here one methyl group, and here is a 2 methyl groups is there. 2 methyl groups. See, we have to give a numbering from this way, right to left. See, देखो अब क्या है, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ओके, यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, सी 2 plus 2 plus 5 equal to 9. Okay, see, this one is a correct method. Okay, this one is a wrong method, but this one is a correct method. देखो, आपकी बुक में एक कोई कुछ भी नहीं बताया है, डायरेक्ट दे दिया है. See, it is a very difficult to understand. That's why I am saying that these all rules for you. Okay. Next we have to see the. Have you understood this one? This one. Okay. Next we have to go to the alphabetical order. What is the alphabetical order? If 2 or more different groups are present, such groups are arranged in alphabetical order. For example, यहाँ पर ही लेंगे. See, we have to take the here only one example, alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. See, what is alphabetical order? We have to take the, see, if 2 or more different groups is there. See, for example, this one, CH3, and here also CH3 is there. CH3. See, this like CH3 is there. See, we have to give to the here CH3, CH2, and here is a CH3. Okay. See, we have to give to the here numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अब इसको अल्फाबेटिकल आर्डर में नेमिंग लिखना है. सब पेरेंट चेन चूज कर लिए. 5 है कार्बन, पेंटा है. सी, यहाँ पर ये मिथाइल है, यहाँ पर इथाइल है. तो यहाँ पर क्या लिखना है, 2 इथाइल. फर्स्ट ये आता है ना, 2 इथाइल कामा 4 मिथाइल. What is pentane? Okay. See, we have to write first E after M after pentane. See this line. See, it is a, we have to write the alphabetical order. Okay. See, I think hope this is a understand you.